Hello everyone. In our previous session we have discussed about the importance of skills and we have also discussed about an umbrella scheme, that is Skill India Mission, which was launched by Government of India in the year 2015 to empower youths by imparting the right skills. And I hope you all did a secondary research on the types of schemes and programs which are under Skill India Mission. And now you all are aware of the market requirements. Now you all are aware of those key sectors which will demand around 12 crore skilled workforce by the year 2022. And in this session we will discuss about the 21st century skills which one must have to remain relevant in one's career. So, technical skills. Technical skills are about various computer and software skills, usage of various machineries and equipments, like those hardware skills. And these computer and software skills have become need of the hour these days, especially when it comes to white collar jobs. And these are also called as digital technology, and the advanced version of it is AI, artificial intelligence. Well, artificial intelligence has multi-purpose. It is a multi-purpose technology. Artificial intelligence help to process data in order to convert them into information, because data is relevant when it is an information, a set of information. You need to have the right information to take the right decision at the right time, and artificial intelligence will help you to take the decision before the manual real time. Data is very important to take the right decisions, because when you start any intervention, when you start any entrepreneurial journey, initially you must do certain speculations and analyzations. And later also you have to do many analyzations for your business growth and development. And AI can help you to take the decision in a rightful manner by processing the data. AI in agriculture. Yes, India is an agrarian society and it will remain an agrarian society even in coming future. And in one of our previous sessions we have discussed that how this COVID-19 situation will compel India to remain an agrarian society. And from agriculture we get our food, which is our basic necessity of life. So definitely agriculture will never go out of trend. AI can help to detect the type of soil and the climate. Then farmers will know that according to the soil and climate what they have to grow and what they don't have to grow. And those produces and crops which are aligned with the type of soil and climate are healthier than genetically modified crops. So in this way, not only farmers are getting benefited from AI, but also consumers are getting benefited because they will have healthy and nutritious food. And food is not just to fill our stomach, it gives us energy, it is the fuel to our body, it keeps us going. So that's why it is imperative to have healthy food. AI can help to detect the advent of any scarcity, it can detect any pest attack. So overall AI is really helpful in agricultural sector, and it can change the face of agricultural practices in our country. AI can be helpful in health sector as well. In India, many villages are situated in remote places where no doctor is available, where no doctor can even reach there. So in such cases, AI can be very helpful in the form of telemedicine. AI can be also helpful in education sector in rural areas itself. Like as we have discussed earlier also, that the infrastructure of education system in rural areas is very poor, and their ratio of student teacher is also below average. So in such cases AI can help. We need to reach the AI technology there, and those rural students can get help in the form of e-learning. So in this way, this technology AI can help our rural areas, can change the face of our rural areas. And apart from these technical skills, other soft skills like which one must have to remain relevant in career, to build a strong career, like managerial skills, negotiation skills, skills that will help you to create networks. Both are equally important. These soft skills will help you to create a strong customer base, will help you to create a goodwill, brand image. So with all such skills, hard and soft skills, you will remain relevant in your career, and you will be able to build a strong entrepreneurship ambience. So that's all for this session, my dear friends. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.